In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward emails to a hosted email address in Hubspot, even if you can't see the Conversations tab in your account. First, log into your Hubspot account. At the top, click on the search bar and type Conversations. If your account has this feature, it will appear in the search results. Click on it to open your Conversations inbox. Once inside, click on Settings in the top right corner, then go to Email. Here, you'll see the option to forward emails to Hubspot. Hubspot will generate a unique forwarding email address for your inbox. Go to your hosted email account, like Gmail, Outlook, or your company email, and set up email forwarding. Paste the Hubspot forwarding address as the destination so all incoming emails go directly into the Hubspot inbox. Send a test email from your hosted account to make sure it arrives in Hubspot. If you don't see Conversations in your search, it likely means your plan doesn't include this feature. In that case, you can forward emails directly to your connected email under Settings, then Email, then Connected Inbox, which works similarly for tracking and managing messages. That's it. Now you know how to forward emails to Hubspot using search and handle it even if Conversations isn't visible. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Hubspot tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.